In this video I'm going to show you how to fit a socket into an impact driver. Now, one of the common problems with this is if you get one of these standard socket sets, they come with all your sockets here, and then you use this adapter. Now this works perfectly well in a normal cordless drill, but what you will find is when you put it in your impact driver and you try and insert the fitting, it doesn't lock in. So unfortunately, if you've got a standard sort of socket set kit like I have, these won't work in your impact driver. So what you'll have to do is invest in some sockets specifically for impact drivers. So these sockets here have a hexagon shank, and they also have this little indentation in the middle. This allows it to click into the impact driver. So we can see from this, when we insert our bit, it actually stays locked securely in our impact driver. So unfortunately we can't use our socket set from our kit. You'd have to buy a standalone set of socket bits that fit your impact driver, and you're basically looking out for this sort of long shank here with this indentation that allows it to lock in.